Since the Olympics and Fukuoka finals, I've grown mentally, little by little.
自己其实慢慢的能感觉到自己的心态和思想在一点一点的变好，在进步。虽然
Even though I lost the World Cup and other matches,
然后也输掉了一些比赛，但是
I'm way more mature now than I was at the Paris
心
Olympics.
智要比奥运会的时候要成熟很多吧。再次
I stayed positive the whole way.
是一个一直保持着一个积极的这种态度，虽然
It was exhausting and tough, but looking back, it was worth it.
但是庆幸付出的一切都是值得的吧。确实，如果没打完，自己想都不敢想，甚至昨天自己
Before the matches ended, I didn't even think about the outcome. Even yesterday, I didn't dare imagine. What kept coming to mind was my loss at the last World Cup. But today, I went all
每
in.
个球自己都去专注，然后以一个
I focused on every point, with the mindset that I had to win, no matter what.
队里现在目前面临的
Whether it was about representing my country or handling the pressure on the men's team, I wanted to deliver a performance the team could be proud of.
下一步目标依旧不敢想，我觉得依旧是脚踏实地的去走吧。我觉得对于我
The next step.
通过巴黎以后的
Honestly, I still don't dare set I'm just taking it one step at a time. After Paris, I want to look back and know I followed my heart.
可能在我退役的那一刻，我做到了每天
No matter how far I go. When I retire, if I can look back with no regrets, that's enough for me.
可能确实要比双打赢完要开心很多。这也是自己从小
Now, after winning singles, I'm way happier than I was after the doubles win.
一个梦想。对于当这个梦想照进
Winning singles was a dream not since I was a kid, but since becoming a core player.
所谓的荣誉，自己还是非常的开心。就像你刚才说的，
Now that the dream came true, I'm really excited and happy.
经验只是一个借鉴，但它不是你
I'm proud to have earned this honor.
的道路。我觉得通过奥运会，
Like you said, no left-handed champion came before me on our team. But I've learned that experience is just a reference, it doesn't define your path.
是他的习惯也好，包括他的日常，包括他打球的
After the Olympics, I've realized everyone's success story is different.
成功的经验，但并不是你
You can't copy someone else's journey. Whether it's habits, style, routine, or training, everyone's path is unique.
所以说，所有的东西都是应该自己去明白，自己去追求自己属于自己的这一条路吧。
其实不
Whether it's the Olympics or World Championships, both feel like marathons. But the World Championships feel even longer, mainly because there are more matches.
场次会更多一些，它更像是一
It really is a marathon.
这个中
You have to go all out in every match like it's your last.
全力以赴当最后一场去打，但你依旧
At the same time, you need to stay locked in day after day with the same
保
focus.
持这样的专注，这样的
These 10 plus days are a huge test of patience and
我
endurance.
觉得其实是对于人的这种耐性的考验，包括忍受力，你怎么
It's tough to stay steady and keep your head right every day.
很正常的去度过，我觉得这个对于也是很难的嘛。但是
But in the end, I'm happy with how it turned out.
好的就很开心吧。仿佛
It feels like a weight I've carried for years has finally lifted off my chest.
开了吧，这是就很不可思议吧。我觉得对于我来说
It feels unreal.
在德班的时候也进入到了决赛，但是那一会儿的时候自己还
Back in Durban, I made the final.
非常懵懂。
But honestly, I was still clueless at that point.
在有多难，可能
I didn't really understand how tough the World Championships are. Maybe it's because I didn't face many setbacks on the way to the
所
final.
有的比赛，包括再到现在，
Now I understand the tough opponents I've faced and where I've been
在
physically
在
and
现
mentally.
在自己的时候，我觉得每一场比赛都是如履薄冰，都是非常的艰难，才自己慢慢
It's like
才
walking on thin ice.
像
Nothing comes
我
easy.
和他们那一会儿有
Now I understand how hard it was for Ma Long and Fan Zhendong back in the day.
也会感觉到
Maybe it's part of growing up. I'm finally feeling how heavy this responsibility is. Not everyone can carry it.
被诟病被去争议也好，被诟病也好。
To be honest, I've been doubted and criticized a lot, not just by others, but by myself too.
包括大家对于我的质疑也好，其实都是因为确实是在三大赛上的这种成绩，包括
A lot of it came down to my record in the major events.
外战这样的一种感觉，但是自己也一直
I lost some big matches to international players, and those losses stuck with people. I used to let that noise get to me. Deep down, I wanted to prove myself. Whether as a left-hander or just part of Team China, I wanted to step up when people questioned our
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.